Make your own
Recorder wheel.
recorder wheel. Chadwell clay?
Yep.
Here we go.
Because it says Chad. CWC, or means Chadwell clay.
There we go. Here we go. If your child's a big fan of the Hacker or the Chadwell Clay channel, or what's the one's called? V, and all the other people that have been using decoder wheels and Hacker Mass and all sorts of stuff, they do a decoder wheel, which you can order from their website. But unfortunately, in certain channels, unfortunately in certain countries, they're not always available, or maybe you just can't afford one. So today I'm going to show you how to make your own decoder wheel. So here we go. So first of all, you want to go and Google the internet and you type in Chadwell Clay decoder wheel and you'll come across an image like this. Now, you've got three options really, or two options. You can either print out three of these, and what we're going to do, we're going to cut them out and stick them to some card, or you can use a bit of Photoshop and do that and get them all into individual ones, like so. Bar that one, I couldn't work out how to do that one. Then you're going to get yourself some card. We're using an old cereal box. So let's do some cutting and see how we get on. So you're going to get your card and you're going to get some, what's it called?
Blue tack.
We're using blue tack, correct. Because we don't have any, the other thing which is called?
Glue.
Glue, yeah. So what I'd recommend is you glue this piece of paper to your card and then cut around it. So let's have a go. I'll spread it all out and see if we can cut around the card and get a nice, neat shape. Let's go. So there we go, we've cut the first part out. So you're going to do the same for all the other ones and stick those to card, and then by magic it will all come together. So let's skip ahead to that. Okay, so once you cut those out, you should have three pieces now, all attached to the card. Like I say, I've had to use blue tack to make ours. 1, 2, 3. And now you put them on top of each other. And we're going to put a pin through the middle, and then we'll have our very own decoding wheel. So let's put a pin through it, so it looks like. Now, if you're like us and you've scoured your house thinking, I don't have any pins, how am I going to do it? Well, we're going to use a paper clip. Let's give that a shot. What are you laughing at? We've got no pins, I have to try and use a paper clip. Paper clip, here we go. So you've got yourself a pin and you've pierced a hole through all the cards. I recommend an adult doing that for you. You put them all on top of each other, then put the pin through. So, how's the paper clip method work? Well, you simply bend one half of the paper clip, like so. And we're going to bend this bit up, put it against the white, you can see it better there. Just so we can slide each plate on. And then it's going to sit at the bottom. Like so. And then we'll put a lick of tape over that. So it's not spinning around, going crazy. There we go, first part on. And we're going to add the second wheel of your recorder, what's it called? Recorder. My recorder, do. Right, there you go, second part on there. Then last but no means least, third part of recorder. The recorder. My recorder. Oh, come on. You haven't had to prick your finger here, by the way.
Oh, it hurts.
It will hurt. They all go on by the last one, there we go. And then you reform the paper clip and bend it down. You may have to just bend it ever so slightly more. Careful, because you don't want to catch your fingers. And then once again, bit of tape. Is that going to work? I don't know. Let's find out. No. There we go, that's better. And now you've got your decoding wheel.
Decoder.
Recorder. You can spin them all around. Cool. Well, there we go. That's how you make your own recorder. What?
Recorder.
Recorder.
Decoder.
Hope you've enjoyed, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.